The best blenders with glass jar to prepare gravies and soups. Make yourself a glass of smoothie or juice with our list of the best blenders with glass jars. Blenders are an essential kitchen appliance that helps you prepare multiple ingredients and dishes. While most blenders have plastic jars, they are not suitable for the environment and may have non-toxic components. Glass blenders have a smooth surface, are durable, and do not discolor over time. They are BPA-free alternatives and work efficiently. You may use them to prepare smoothies, gravies, or soups. Their sophisticated design and material make them safer than plastic blenders. So, explore our list of blenders with glass jars to choose the right one for your kitchen. Number 1. Best Convenient Oster Blender Pro 1200 with Glass Jar. Oster's glass jar blender is available in brushed nickel color, a perfect fusion of design, use, and convenience. It comes with a one-touch control for multiple usages, such as making smoothies, salsa, and milkshakes. While aesthetically appealing, the blender promises high performance with two-way blade technology and 7-speed control, operable at 1,200 watts. Pros: smart setting technology with 3 pre-programmed blender creations, extra precision grinding and chopping with wide blades at 3.5 inches, ice crushing power enabled at 900 watts, 6-cup borkless glass jar to withstand dishwashing and thermal shocks, added blending precision and control through the pulse feature. Blade system 50% larger than previous blender models from Oster, 10-year limited warranty for Duralist all-metal drive from Oster, an extended cord of up to 16 inches, improved blending with extra wide jar base, large capacity smoothie cup at 24 ounces. Cons: difficult to find accessories replacement. Cup can leak during blending. Number 2. Best Large Capacity Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. If you like smoothies, milkshakes, or iced drinks, then the Hamilton blender is the equipment you need in your kitchen. This kitchen tool is made of plastic and stainless steel and operates efficiently at 700 watts. Pros: comes with a large capacity BPA-free glass jar at 40 ounces. Wave action system that enables continual pulling down of mixture. Mess-free pouring with a patented spout design that carries a hinged cap. 4 dedicated switches for blending and 12 different blending functions. Dishwasher-safe containers. The cord fits in for easy handling and storage. 3-year limited warranty. Durable and long-lasting. Cons: chopper jar is not made of glass. It may leak after extended use. Number 3. Best Economically Priced Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender. The cold and hot blender has a glass exterior, equipped with one of the best glass jars, and a touchscreen panel for optimal control. An efficient combination of hot food cooking and beverage blending, this kitchen appliance is economically priced. Operating at 1,400 watts, it makes up for extra energy consumption through diversified functions. Pros: high-capacity glass pitcher at 64 ounces. High-capacity ice crushing function and high-speed blade movement. Has a heating element of 800 watts for soups and infused drinks. 12 programs for hassle-free cooking and blending. Guide with 25 recipes. Sleek and fine finish design. Stainless steel blades for sharp blending. One-touch program cleaning. Cons: single glass jar container for both cooking and blending limits time-efficient usage. Self-cleaning not much efficient. Number 4. Best Slip-Resistant Base Black Plus Decker PowerCrush Multi-Function Blender. The multi-function blender from Black Plus Decker comes with a powerful electric motor that can provide 700 watts of power at peak performance and easily crush and mix various ingredients. It effortlessly pulverizes tough ingredients, such as ice, for granule-free blending. Pros: 4-tip blades enable fast blending with constant vortex and flow. 4-speed operation can deliver creamy smoothies to icy drinks. Dishwasher safe, comfortable fit in compact kitchens. Easy handling with a slip-resistant base. Easy pouring. Efficient continuous energy consumption. Reasonably priced. 2-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: optimal performance may reduce with constant use of crushed ice. May loosen over extended use. Loud noise when used. Number 5. Best Mess-Free SPB7CH SmartPower Blender from Cuisinart. If you are looking for a durable blender at an affordable price, the Cuisinart product is the right choice. The compact and high-capacity product runs efficiently at 500 watts and ensures a smooth blending experience for delicious preparations. Pros: high-capacity glass jar at 48 ounces, mess-free serving with dripless pour spout, 6 levels of blending plus ice crushing. Indicator lights make it easy to read the blending level. Measured ingredient addition enabled through mark pour lid. Innovative design with Italian inspiration. Ultra-sharp blade assembly made of premium stainless steel. Program speed control. Cons: replacement of damaged parts is not available. Reduced efficiency with extended use. Heats up quickly.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our call products, as it will make your life much easier.